I got you. You got anything to say? Okay. You get the Aurora?
Sorry about that, guys. Good luck. Quarter marshals look alive. You will open. Good luck on the cone. Gross, your leader. White in the 2. Devlar's on the 3. Careful on the front.
Right when I was gonna zoom Brian. Uh-oh.
6 minutes left. Yep, long name. That kind of throws the number of laps out for comparison. But let's see what you guys can do for fastest single lap so far. 16.5, Brian Gross.
Sound very good. Oh no.
Man.
No way.
I'll take things that suck for 300.
Oh no.
What is breaking your car in the first 30 seconds of a 7-minute main event?
Five minutes left.
Well, Mr. White.
Whoa.
Fast time for Mr. White, 16.7. Robert, 17.6. Quick, Brian, change the idler gear really quick and then get back on the track.
Rebuild the diff.
Yeah, in hindsight, probably should have combined a stadium truck and 2-wheel short course.
Poor Brian.
Left.
Oh. He even had his orange shirt on today.
Hey, John. Scott White, 16.7 is his fast lap. Last time by, he did a 17.7. That's about a second off of his potential.
Left.
16.7 last time by for him. His fastest is 16.7. Wow, 17.1, so that is 4/10 off of his potential.
2 minutes left.
Caution the ball. 2 cars on the track, only 2. And they're always magnetically attracted to one another.
They're nice and warmed up right now.
So why is it that Robert's running the
Whoa.
the white body? Should be Scott White.
Yeah, right. It's backwards.
So Mr. White running the blue, Robert in the white.
Whoa.
It's alright, we do the leader actually. Technically you got the right of way.
Yeah, but this way we have a race.
1 minute left. It does make it a little more interesting though to have a little bit of a battle on the track. Mr. White driving the blue down the back straight. That is your race leader trying to throw Robert another lap down.
1 lap. 2. Uh-oh. Oh no, nice save. Wow. He's driving it. Wow. To the line.
Car 3 is done. Car 3 is done.
Good job, guys.
Yeah, White takes it 24.08, 23.09 out of Robert. Rookie kid, track is yours.
You're fine. Just roll the mic. Let's see you drop mine.